The Maldives, a name synonymous with paradise. Azure lagoons shimmer. Coral reefs teem with life. Above, palm-fringed islands bask in the sun. But beneath the surface, another world awaits. A realm of vibrant coral gardens, graceful manta rays, and curious fish. Here in this aquatic Eden lies Ithaya, the world's first all-glass underwater restaurant. Imagine descending into the turquoise depths, where the world above fades away, and a new realm of wonder opens up before you. Sunlight filters through the water, painting the scene in an ethereal glow, casting dancing shadows and illuminating the vibrant colors of the underwater world. You reach Ithaya, a transparent capsule nestled amidst a coral garden where the boundary between you and the ocean dissolves. A panoramic window to a world unseen by most, offering a front-row seat to the mysteries of the deep. As you dine, schools of fish glide gracefully past, their movements synchronized in a delicate dance, a testament to the harmony of marine life. Reef sharks patrol their domain with a majestic presence, embodying the raw power and beauty of the ocean. A mesmerizing ballet of life unfolds before your eyes, each creature playing its part in the intricate tapestry of the sea, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains this underwater paradise. The cuisine at Ithaya is as exquisite as its setting. Each dish is a celebration of the ocean's bounty. Freshly caught seafood, bursting with flavor, takes center stage. Local spices and delicate herbs enhance the ocean's natural gifts.
The chefs, masters of their craft, blend Maldivian traditions with modern techniques. Each bite is a testament to their passion and creativity.
Dining at As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the water in hues of orange and purple, you resurface.
The memory of this extraordinary experience lingers. The vibrant colors, the graceful marine life, the symphony of flavors.
Ithaya is a testament to the beauty of our oceans and the creativity of humankind. More than just a restaurant, Ithaya is a symbol of hope. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our deep connection to the ocean. Dining here is not just about the exquisite cuisine, but about experiencing the wonders of the marine world up close. A reminder of the importance of protecting our oceans and their fragile ecosystems. Every bite taken here is a gentle nudge, urging us to think about the impact we have on these underwater realms. The beauty of Ithaya lies not just in its structure, but in the message it conveys.
It inspires us to appreciate the delicate balance of life beneath the waves. The vibrant colors and diverse species remind us of the intricate web of life that exists in the ocean. Each fish, each coral plays a crucial role in maintaining this balance. To savor the ocean's bounty responsibly. Sustainable practices ensure that we can continue to enjoy seafood without depleting the resources. It's about making choices that benefit both our palate and the planet.
The legacy of Ithaya, written in coral, is a story of harmony and respect. These vibrant coral formations are living proof of what can be achieved when nature and humanity coexist peacefully, and etched in memory is a call to action. As divers observe these corals, they are reminded of the fragility of these ecosystems and the urgent need to protect them, a plea to cherish and protect our blue planet for generations to come. Every effort, no matter how small, contributes to the larger goal of preserving the ocean's beauty and bounty for future generations. Let Athea be a beacon, guiding us towards a more sustainable and respectful relationship with our oceans.